know who I am, my name is Letrent. I'll show you guys how to make money online. Okay, keep this short and sweet. I found an app to where you can make money for free, make free PayPal for free, win gift cards for free, and you ain't gotta put nothing in, okay? Pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna take you guys to the screen recording right here, and then just listen to what I have to say. I think it's a pretty cool app. I saw an ad on it. I thought I'd download it and check it out myself. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, Money Gang. The app we're gonna look at today is called Lucky Day. As you can see, you're gonna click on it. So basically, what this is a free scratch-off app. So basically, just like going to the store and get lotto tickets, except on here, you get money and you get these little poker chips or whatever. I just downloaded it yesterday. I've been playing it all day. Well, not all day, my bad. I probably played it like one time before I went to sleep, and then today, as you can see, they give you a whole bunch of cards to scratch off, alright? So it's pretty cool. They got a lot of stuff, ways you can win $100, $500, $10, $50, $100,000, you know, just little stuff. Of course, not gonna always win. But as you can see, you invite friends, you get 100,000 tokens. And I'm going to explain what those tokens are right there. That is my code. Put it in. I'm going to have it in the description as well. That way you can refer to me. I can show you how to make some more money. So what these tokens do, you can get raffles, raffle tickets to win $50. Like I said, I got 14 tickets. I've also been playing the scratch off, and you get a whole bunch of those tokens as well anyway. So for you to have some from referrals and to get 100,000 is even cooler. As you can see, you can buy raffle tickets. You can play the lotto. You just pick random numbers, and then you can get into the lotto. I haven't played the blackjack yet. I haven't played the blackjack, but I'm sure you can win some money doing that as well. And on here, you can redeem rewards, cash. You can get free tokens. You get free PayPal. As you can see, I gotta get $10 in order to get my PayPal. So as you can see, these are all the free gift cards. You get gift cards, you can get knickknacks, the little socket thing for your phone, nail polish, all the other little trinkets and stuff. But of course, we want to focus on getting that money and getting those gift cards. You see $2 gift card. You know, Apple, IHOP, Applebee's, Nike, Adidas, Starbucks. I mean, come on now, Marshalls, Walmart. And you get these gift cards from those tokens, right? So that's what I'm saying. If you're referring people, you can easily get those tokens hella fast. Especially if you want to add or something, or make a YouTube video, you can get those points real fast, okay? So, Domino, free food. I mean, come on now. All you have to do is share your code, and you get 100,000 points. So just imagine you do, 10 people. That's 1,000,000 points right there. And you can go get you. Yeah, like I said, you can get all these gift cards, and you can have those points easy without having to even play the game. But if you play the game, you're gonna get hella points anyway. Those tokens come hella easy, as you're gonna see at the end of the video. So as you can see, we're looking at the leaderboard with the most tokens. 33,000 is the most. But if you're running traffic to this ad, man, to your app, boy, you can have way more than that. All right, as you can see, these are the payouts for the cash that people have won playing this app. So you can see $50, $50, 51, 54, 54, 522, what? 176, what? 500, 600, 400, wow, 552, 400. I mean, come on, guys. It's hella easy. All you doing is literally scratching off $300. And these are the gift cards people are picking up, or the little trinkets, Walmart, Target, $2, $10 CVS, it's free. Target, it's really free. You don't have to do anything but scratch off. Of course, you are going to have to watch an ad here and there. As you can see, ice cream day, we're going to scratch off. We didn't win nothing. And then at the bottom, you can't see at the bottom, but you win the little tokens at the bottom. You always get that chance to win the bottom tokens. You always win free tokens. So here, got an ad you got to watch. So the little ad will pop up, and it's about like 15 seconds. But really, it's like an ad every 4 or 5 tickets. But I mean, you winning all the time. So you never not gonna win. It just matter if you win in actual cash, because you know it's a little bit harder to win in cash, but you know it's pretty cool. So yeah, as you can see, cancel out, and then I'll scratch off right here. So I didn't win nothing, but I scratched off at the bottom. I want some more tokens, so I'm gonna do. As I said, they got Salt Bay. They got all types of little fun things or whatever. So like I said, you just scratching off, and that's it. Like I said, it's not like you playing the actual lottery in real life because you have to put money in. But see, look, as you see on here, I won, and then I won at the bottom, so I won 16,000 tokens. So that goes to my tokens account. Like I said, I can use those tokens to go get gift cards. So once again, guys, that is my code. You know, definitely check it out. I will have the in the description. All right, peace.